Happy New Year, happy 2022. Today is my first video of the year 2022 and I'm so grateful to God and to my subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting me. This is a new year and let's see what the year has for us, guys. Yeah, in this video I will be unboxing my denri bag and doing some cleaning. Today being on a Saturday, we'll do the cleaning. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. So guys, this bag I ordered it from denri Africa. It's a nice bag and I ordered it on December and it was on offer, guys. It was going for 900 and they normally sell it at 2,500. So I decided to take the opportunity and buy it at 900, which it was good. It was good price for me. It came with this one. So the bags, the quality is very nice. I had bought my my diaper bag from them and the quality of the bags, it's very nice. This is the diaper bag and I bought it 2 years ago and it is very nice. Yani it is durable, yani inakaa poa. It is very nice, very nice. You can see, as you can see, guys, the color of these bags is very nice.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in.
As I start cleaning, please guys, don't judge me. This is how I do it. And this is just our small sitting room. And my aim is to change this sitting room. I want to do some deco, change the seats. I hope by the end of this month or next month, I don't know, if my carpenter will be done with the seats.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me
So guys, this is the rag I usually use to mop or clean my house with some soap.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So guys, my aim is to change this sitting room. So the transformation of this house will be done most probably on Feb, and the transformation video will be on maybe on March. That's when I will upload the video. So guys, stay tuned as we wait for the transformation video.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals